we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it in British English? Because the American pronunciation is slightly different. This is said as Accenture. You do want to stress to put an accent on that middle xen syllable. And yes, it's a ch sound, not a t sound. Accenture. In American English, however, it is usually said as Accenture. Accenture. Some might say it as Accenture, but generally speaking, Accenture in American English or Accenture in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.